Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of earwigs from your garden. This video will explore methods to keep your garden free from their harmful effect on plants, so make sure you stick around for that. Remove your garden's ground mulch. Clearing the ground mulch infested by earwigs and letting the soil dry can help eliminate them. Once the insects move, you should replace the garden soil mulch. Mulch removal may also help eliminate other pests such as snails and slugs, which often inhabit the moist environment around the garden floor. Use a homemade earwig trap. Take 1 part dish soap and pour it into a bucket with 4 parts warm water. Stir the mixture until it appears foamy, then place the bucket outside at night and position a lamp to shine on the surface of the soapy mixture, which will attract earwigs and drown them. You can also take moist, rolled-up newspapers or even small cardboard boxes and place them in your garden in the evenings to trap these insects. Moreover, you can trap and eliminate earwigs by filling tuna cans with a thin layer of vegetable oil, acting as a food source. Apply boric acid powder or diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle boric acid powder, a natural insecticide, to eliminate these insects on contact. You can sprinkle the substance in areas infested by earwigs, such as around wood piles or in damp garden areas. Also, diatomaceous earth works as a natural pesticide, causing earwigs exposed to it to lose body water and die. Attract birds to your garden. Attracting birds to your garden may be important since they are natural predators of these insects. You should install a bird feeder or bath, or plant berry bushes or fruit trees in your garden to attract birds that can kill and feed on earwigs. So there you have it. Eliminating earwigs from your garden should be very easy to protect your plants. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.